Hey everyone! Excited to talk about travel today? Me too. But let's get real for a second. There's a ton of advice out there on eco-friendly travel, but not all of it holds up. Today I'm busting 7 so-called eco-friendly travel tips that are actually myths. Let's dive in. Myth number 1, bringing your own toiletries. Sure, it sounds eco-friendly, but those tiny shampoo bottles and soap bars, they end up being wasteful because most people don't finish them before they leave. Instead, opt for refillable containers and fill them up at home. Myth number 2, avoiding airplane food. Some say it's more eco-friendly to bring your own snacks, but most of the time the packaging waste from those snacks can be just as bad, if not worse. Instead, bring a reusable container and refill it at airport lounges or cafes that support zero waste. Myth number 3, staying in eco-hotels. Now, don't get me wrong, some eco-hotels are fantastic, but the term eco is often used loosely. Do your research to ensure the hotel has legit certifications and practices. Otherwise, you might just be paying extra for a green label. Myth number 4, using paper maps. It's nostalgic and seems eco-friendly, but paper maps end up as trash more often than not. Stick to digital maps on your smartphone. They're more up-to-date and reduce waste. Myth number 5, wearing organic cotton. It sounds good, right? But organic cotton requires a lot of water to grow. Instead, invest in sustainable materials like bamboo or recycled polyester. These fabrics have a smaller environmental footprint. Myth number 6, traveling by train is always better. Trains are often touted as a greener option, but it depends on the route and the energy source. In some places, buses or even carpools can be more eco-friendly. Look up the most sustainable options for your specific journey. Myth number 7, avoiding souvenirs. This one's tricky. We're told to avoid souvenirs to save the planet, but it's more about what you buy. Support local artisans and buy items made from sustainable materials. This way, you're helping local economies and being eco-friendly at the same time. So there you have it, 7 eco-friendly travel tips that are actually myths. Busted. Remember, the key is to make informed choices that genuinely benefit the planet. Have any other travel tips or myths you'd like to share? Drop them in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more travel insights. Safe travels and stay eco-conscious.